Welcome to DragonMan Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create text foggy style, or you can call rainy window pane. First step, you gonna go to select the brush tool to draw your text, and setting your brush size what you want to draw. After you draw already, please change your layer to the Smart Object by right-click on your mouse and layer and choose Smart Object. After you change your layer to Smart Object, please go to the filter and select Blur, make your subject blur. And I choose radius around 14. Next step, please change your layer to soft light mode. After you change already, please right-click on Layer and select Blending option. And change your underlying layer by Alt on your keyboard and setting your blending. So here is the result. Thanks for watching. Please help subscribe and follow for more.